Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with a journal share. This one is a fall autumn journal that I did for this year, and this cover is made out of some fabric I got from Walmart like a couple years back, and I just put a little nameplate, a little plate thing right there. And this fabric is something I found at a secondhand store, and it has 3 signatures in there. This is the spine. I sewed all around it, and the book corners, and these wide eyelets for the closure. I love this linen right here that I found. I super love this color, and it was fitting for this journal. So let's go inside. The kit I used in here I think is My Porch Prints, and I will link it below. And I also used just some random things that I already had. Oop, I have my glasses on. I can't see. Can't see far away without them. But I can't see. I can't, yeah. Anyways, yeah. You don't need to know all that. I put some little pocket right here and added this little topper on there and this behind it. This paper was just some I had in my stash. I did the hidden spine method, and the lace I got from my local store, and the pom-pom I think I got off of Wish many moons ago. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love this so much. So much. And coffee dyed paper, some vintage paper, some computer paper from eons ago. And here, I did this wrong, so this is not how she does it. If you want to know how she does it, you'll have to go check her out because I messed mine up. So instead of put it all the way in the signature, I forgot, so I just cut it and put a little hinge on it instead, and then just stamped some lines on the back, and then put this envelope in there, and I just stamped on there, and then there's just some craft paper inside to journal with. But yeah, that's my way of fixing my mess up. And then I just paper clipped it on like that so it just stays down. Yeah, that was a fun find of mess up. I was so bummed, but you know, things happen. And over here is a little side pocket with this journaling card inside. And right here I just used my little, this punch, this one right here. Hopefully you can see that. And then I just used my little hole punch and kind of made a little, I don't know. I can't explain things today for some reason. I don't know what my problem is, but on the other side over here, we have these two. And if they're sewn, they're either on cardstock or coffee dyed paper. There's another pretty page. This has got a lot of journaling space on a lot of pages. I put too many pages in here, I think, because then I couldn't decorate it as much as I really wanted to, because then it made it too fat. Back here we have a big tag, and I just sewed some snippet on there. And here we have another little altered tag, and this is just a coffee dyed paper. And this is part of the kit here. And this is just like a 3-tier pocket I did right here. And that actually comes with the kit. The pocket making part comes with the kit, and then I just sewed around it. And an envelope in the middle, and I just put some extra bits right here that she can use throughout the book, wherever she would like. Some of these didn't come with the kit, it's just some that I had also laying around. And this is just part of a file folder. It's stuck in there. She can journal on that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I love it. I better hurry up because this is a fat journal. It'll take me 10 years. And this is just a big journaling card. And I just did some layering there, and this is flips up so you can journal underneath. I love this. I actually printed on both sides this time. I never do that. I just thought I would do that for something different. Here is a little pocket. I just added this pretty little flower to it and this doily behind it, and put this journaling card, oops, inside. I'm so used to my pockets going that way, but this one goes this way. Pretty page. I absolutely love that. Here is another little journaling booklet. Another little tag pocket, which comes with the kit. And, oh, this is a little envelope that doesn't have anything in it. Super cute. And I just added that little bird right there and a little number. Edith Holton. Book page. Here's another one of the mess up pages. You just flip it open and you can journal on that side. And this is Artie Mays or Tracy Fox. I don't remember which. But I think they did a collab or something with those. I don't remember now. It's been too long and I've had them for too long now. Okay, sorry. Here we go. And I just added that little guy, and you can tuck underneath it. Over here is a little flap with this journaling card. Tried to leave, well, I had to leave a lot of journaling space. Let's just say it that way, because I wouldn't have if I wouldn't have put so much paper in here. But I did. Another one of these tags back here. And some tags and another little envelope. Comes with the kit. My dog is down here playing with his ball. And isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And then these cute little tags here. And this one I left together. I love that one too. These are almost my favorite part right here. I love these. I love those pictures. They're so cute. Keep going, Paula. Keep going. I hope I've been in frame this whole time. It's a layering tag that I did. Stamp some lines on the back. I can't remember whose this is. This didn't come with the kit, but I don't remember. So sorry. I can't remember all the kits I have. I have a ton of kits. Love that. Oh, every time I see a new kit, I'm like, oh my goodness, I have to have it. And this just folds down. I can't believe I didn't put a tag in there. Oh, I'm going to shoot it. I can't believe I didn't put a tag in there or decorate it. Maybe I didn't even finish this journal. Oh my goodness, because I didn't put anything in here either. Oh my word, Paula Lemmon. There we go. I'll have to go back and at least put a tag here and here because that's nuts. I can't believe I didn't do that. There is an envelope in the middle of this one, and I absolutely love that. And then the little butterflies. This is a tuck spot right here. How about I do this so you can see there's a tuck spot there. And there is a doily behind this pocket as well. And a big Paula. I didn't even put a topper on that. My word, what is wrong with me? I've had a lot going on apparently. Here's a little tag. And these are Artie Mays. I just left them together. Put that up there. I'm going to have to stamp on that one too. Oh, and this beautiful journaling card. I love it so much. Love it, love it. Put that there. And I just made a belly band right here. And yeah, it opens. And those are the tickets that come with it. And then there's this little journaling card and an envelope that she can stash some stuff in. And as we keep going, let's see what I did over here. I just made a little tuck spot out of that leaf right there and put this little tag in there. And these all came with the kit except for that one. Aren't those gorgeous? Oh, let me tell you, this kit is, I don't know. I wasn't going to do seasonal journals, but how can you not when you see such gorgeous kits? There's so many out there that I absolutely love. I might have to buy a couple more. This one goes this way, I believe, yeah. And I just love the way this looks. Over here, I just layered the little bits right here and put a little button trim Trina made right there. Another pretty journaling card there, and this cute little tag. Oh, I just love them so much. Love, love, love it. Yes, and there is plenty. I almost tried to use the whole entire kit in this journal, like all the bits and everything. I think there's just a couple laying over there that I'll probably end up stuffing in here as well. But I just loved every page. I couldn't, like, not use it. This comes from a different kit, but I think it's My Porch Prints as well. And this, come off there. It's got a little tuck spot right here under this flower. And then this folds out so you can journal all over that. Put it back together with this paper clip here, and then I just put these little labels in here like so. I was gonna make a pocket out of this, but I'm just gonna leave that up to her. But that is amazingly gorgeous. My nose is running. And this is a little booklet that Trina made out of some extra paper. I thought was super cute. She gives me some goodies. Her after work goodies is what I call them, because she doesn't have time to make a journal, so she'll just make goodies and then she'll give them to me for my journals, which I absolutely am grateful for. Here's another little tuck spot with this beautiful thing. I was going to make a pocket out of that too, but like I said, this journal's gotten too chunky, as you can tell. So I decided not to. I love this. Some vintage paper again, another pocket with a big tag in the back. And some more of Trina's little extra work bits, after work bits, and another little booklet. I tuck in there. This is a big tag that she made, and I just added some cotton trim on the top. And then these two little cutie patooties. And I just added that label and then these right here. And that is so pretty. Here's another one of these little pages. Oh my goodness. And this actually has a little tag inside. Let's see if I remember how to do this. There we go. And then this cute little tag there. Just put that on. Oops. Come on. Fingers. Over here we have another pocket with some more tags. I super love that. So cute. Some more. And this one has a little tag inside as well. That felt super thick for some reason. Don't know. I think because it's on cardstock. Here's another little envelope with nothing in it. Little pocket. Big old collage tag that I made. One of these. This is one of my favorites. I don't have... Well, I guess I do have lots of favorites. You all know because I'm always saying I super love it. Which I super do. And like this page, super love it. It's one of my favorites. Favorites. See, how did I do that? Really, Paula? Oh well, I don't care. I super love it anyways. Because it's my favorite. Maybe that's why. Because I have it as another favorite. And I just put these two little tickets right here because I love them both. And I just made it as a little tuck spot for that big, large journaling tag. That's how that works. Can't believe I did that, but I did. Another cute little cluster tag there. Another Trina tag here. Another vintage doily in the back. And this is another Trina. She made this little button trim right there. I super love that. Oh my gosh. See, how can you say any page is your favorite when you come across something like that? Love, love, love. And over here is another little tuck spot with this big old tag. I just made that as goes through there. And that will stop it from falling all the way through. And then this is a Trina little tag, and you can journal on the back. And then inside we have this little cuteness. I just added that butterfly. Oh my goodness. I got 15 minutes. 15 minutes already? Ah. Seriously, I love it. Super love it. I could just stare at that all day. No tag behind there, but you can tuck behind it. And we have these two inside. And that is this very large and in charge journal there. I gotta cut this off because I keep thinking it's not supposed to be there, so it must need to come off. This one is gonna go out in the mail tomorrow, hopefully, if I can get my other journal done, video done. And yeah, please subscribe if you're not, and please give me a thumbs up, get me out in the YouTube world. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so very much, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye bye.